Connor. Come here, bud. Walk over here. Good job. Good job. Look at Connor's little mohawk. What are you doing? You like it over there. Oh! Uh-oh. Can't go any further. Gotta back up. He likes to hit his toys on other things. Hey! Hey! You're such a big boy, Connor Joe. He moves pretty well. Excuse you. Excuse you. Come here. Come over here. Come here. No? Remember, you like the dishwasher? Come here. Come get it. Yep, he's coming. Whoop. Whoop. You crashed. You crashed. Hey. What is that, Connor? What is that? Bet you wish you could put it in your mouth, huh? It's too far away. Yep, it rolls in and out, in and out. Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. He's really reaching. Okay, I'm putting it away. Putting it away, buddy. I push you back. That's it. That's it. He's so big. This is February 1st. He'll be 7 months in about 17 days. Bye-bye, Connor. Connor, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.